it comes to the use of ICT in our day-to-day lives, you may think it's not that complex. It's just technology advancing, am I right? Well, maybe I am, maybe I'm not. You see, ICT is more useful to us as students than you think. Because ICT has a huge impact in our lives as students. It's not just content creation, coding, and employment. No. ICT's importance is more than just that. I'll explain each one and provide a final summary afterwards in this blog I'm making for our project. Let's begin, shall we? First up, we got communications. When you think of ICT, you probably think of that it only includes software like Adobe, Canva, stuff you probably won't use because you'll just be on your device playing ML instead. But no, you use ICT every single day, and that's because of communication software like Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, the works. It's because ICT is also included in our communications technology. It powers our video calls, text messages, and online classes. For some of the people out there, ICT isn't just something a part of our day-to-day lives, it's everywhere all around us. Moms calling relatives, dads messaging colleagues from work, everywhere and everyone. Next up, we got our studies. Of course, you probably already know this because of popular AI software like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, etc. But when you really can't find your perfect answer from any of the mentioned softwares, researching online comes in as a last option. The internet has a lot of information for you to research and be given answers from. I'm talking about online articles, YouTube video tutorials, documentaries, and many more. These can help you guide your studying mind to finding the right information you can use for any assignments, projects, or essays your teacher has given you. Literally, this is already a cited advantage to students from using ICT, and the fact it can all be found with a few typing and a single click of a mouse is just awesome, don't you think? Next up, let's see. Alright. We got employment opportunities. ICT doesn't just help with communications and our studies, it also helps us earn money. ICT is experiencing rapid growth in popularity, and this means the demand for careers such as digital marketing, illustration, and editing is skyrocketing. These jobs help students gain money using their skills online. And plus, ICT is not just a helping hand to some of the businesses nowadays. It's essential. Next and last but not least, we got skill developing. ICT helps students develop their skills in coding, designing, digital arts, managing, and many more. It offers many opportunities, information, and applications that students can use to enhance their skills within the internet and the real world, since they can use ICT to research and conversate with other users online, talking about their skills and many more regarding their topic. So my summary for these is, all of these things that ICT can make students have and do fuels importance of ICT more and more to our lives as students. Every day you use ICT, wherever you may be, whatever situation you may be in. ICT, or information and communication technology, is deeply embedded in the daily lives of students. It's not just limited to creative apps or coding, it powers communications through social media and messaging, supports studies through AI tools and online research, and even opens doors to income opportunities like digital marketing and editing. Beyond that, ICT helps students develop important real-world skills in design, management, and technology, whether you are studying, working, connecting, or learning new skills. ICT is right there with you, making life easier, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. So please do give me a like and subscribe. I worked very hard for this vlog, so yeah, that's about it. See you guys soon.